Hi friends, today I will show you how to assemble this Fisher Price Sit Me Up floor seat. It's very simple. I will also be showing you every step in the timestamp in case you want to go to any particular step where you're not able to figure out. It will be easy for you to straight away go to that section and see how it is done. I have tried to show you in detail. So you see here, these are the parts, okay, which comes inside the box, and exactly the same way I have displayed here. You can see, for easy understanding, I have put everything. So taking a closer look, okay, so this is how these entire parts have been displayed. There are 11 steps which has to be followed to assemble this entirely. So you see, step 1, 2, 3, and once I flip, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so each step I will be showing, and you can find this in timestamp also in case you want to toggle. It will become very easy, and I will give you some of the tips as I am integrating this. So this is the first step. We have to bring this both together. I will show you this. So these two, right? You see these grooves, this groove, and here this one, this both comes here, and then you hear this click sound. So this is done. The second step, on this I will bring these two arms. Okay, so here you see this, this arm will go inside this, and this arm will go inside this. This goes like this, and here this goes like this, and then I push this, and you will see, and you hear this click sound. You see this button kind of thing. If you press this, this arm opens, and once you press this inside, this folds both sides. You have this. Okay, so this will come at later stage, but I thought I will show this to you now. Now this is the step 3. So you see this groove, this comes here, and just the click sound. So just ensure that it is all aligned and it is put. So the third step is done. Fourth step, let me show this to you now. I have arranged this both. Okay, so you see this and this. So this goes inside here. Okay, this goes inside here, and then just align this and push. You see this, you heard the sound. This is done. So step 5, you see this blue, I press this and bring the arm up. On this side I press and bring the arm up. So bring it fully. And step 6, so you see this will face here. Okay, so bring this, get this in. So we have already done 7, that is bringing and snapping both end. You heard that sound. And 8 is to put these caps. These two cap, smaller one, and this one is little broader. So the small one goes to the small one, and the big one goes to the big one. So I put it here, and then just push this. It's done. On the second side, again let me show this. This is little smaller, and this is little wider. So again I'm looking, this side it is smaller and this side is wider. Just this is done. Number 9, this you see. Now this is the base. Okay, this base I put it inside like this. Okay, and keep it here. And now this one, right, you see here there are this has to go and sit at back of this, and again this has to go and sit, there are 4 in numbers, at these places. Okay, so let me put it, let me show this to you. Just need to go, one is done. The second one, it's little patience you require to do this. Then the third one, again you just find that place and bring that in, and the fourth one, just feel with the hand and take it, just like how you put the shirt button. You okay, ensure that it's secure, baby is going to sit. And same thing on this side, that extension I feel it with hand, and then just bring this and secure, just like how we put shirt button. Okay, since baby is going to sit, make sure, doubly sure, that this is fixed properly. I will just turn this. So we finished 10. Now last one, that is 11. You see this goes into these 3 holes. So just bring it, press, press and press. So these 11 steps have been told. Now you have these 2 items given. Where will this go? You can just place them. This goes here, and again just open this up and slide it. So that's it. So you see this, I had shown you earlier, when you press this both, okay, you can actually lower this, and if you have to bring this up, you just need to pull and you hear this sound.